Okay, now
Yeah. You putting on blush?
we're putting on blush.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Only more blush?
Putting on mascara.
Okay.
After, could we see ourselves on YouTube?
Yeah, you can.
See?
Yeah, you're putting on mascara.
Mascara.
Glitter!
Yes. Okay, somebody made a boo-boo.
Isha.
Go ahead. There you go. Let's go.
I know what it's time for. Wait, could I have the glitter that you were using? No, not here.
Cute.
Which one do you
Put
want?
some.
Whichever one you want. You are the one who's
No, which
in
one do you
charge.
want?
You're in charge of the makeup, right?
Which one
True.
do you want?
Which one do you think will look good?
Maybe this one.
Okay.
Close your lips.
Akka. What? When it's down, when you squeeze it, it will slowly come up. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Now just blend it in like this. Over
Wait,
your
is
eyes.
this supposed to go on your cheeks?
Yeah.
Wait. This is how you do it. This is okay. Maybe you can do the what do you call it? Eyebrows. Maybe you can do eyebrows.
How do I do the eyebrows? How do I do the eyebrows?
Oh, just comb the eyebrows. There's a
Just
little bit
comb
of
it.
comb.
How?
There's a comb at the back of the eyebrow pencil. Did you see that?
Wait, where's eyebrows? So look here.
I'm doing
Okay,
it.
you do
Okay.
it. You do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Just comb it out. Just kidding.
So now we're doing the eyebrow brush.
Uh-huh.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It feels great.
I'm styling your thing.
Yeah, you guys are doing great.
What about the thing that
Wait,
has
here.
to
This is how
go
you do it.
under, like here? Okay. What about the thing which has to go here?
The concealer? Yeah, somebody was on it. See. Oh,
I want it.
she's on it.
Trying to.
What's this for?
It's a caution.
What's it for?
You remember
Where's
how
the
you used
cap
it
of
over here?
this?
You use that, the black kajal underneath the eyes here.
Did we already do this? Yeah.
Are you doing a mess?
No.
Look
I'm
at
sure
the
you guys are
lipstick.
doing fine.
Wait, can I do lips?
Yeah.
You can do like a little.
Yep.
What about extra?
How about we give you a scary look? So
A
that-
scary look.
so
What, am I already looking scary?
No, you look nice.
Nice.
Wait, what's this?
I don't know.
Can you
Okay, somebody put, what's this? Okay, you want me to close this?
Yeah. Oh, I think somebody did it.
Hi.
This is my mom's friend, and she loves makeup.
I love makeup. And they love makeup too.
She is our makeup teacher.
Okay,
Already did that.
Oh, I look so pretty, girl.
Is that it?
Wow.
Okay, now do we pause it?
Wow.